In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach files to messages in Outlook. Let's launch the Outlook app. In the menu bar, click on New Email. Let's write an email, for example. Suppose you need to attach some files to this email. You can do it in two ways. In the menu bar, you can see an option called Attach File. You can do it here, or you can go to Insert. Here you will see a similar section. But for this tutorial, I will use the first option because you will have every option you need for attaching a file here. In this Attach menu, you can access the recent files that you have used. You can attach items such as a business card or Outlook item if you have them. You can also attach files from your OneDrive. Click on your OneDrive account. From your drive, select a file and click on Insert. While selecting a file from OneDrive, you can attach it in two ways. You can attach it as a link, where a direct link will be added to access the file from your OneDrive. Or you can attach it as a copy, where a copy of your file will be downloaded from your drive and then uploaded to your email. If you want to attach files from your computer storage, go to Attach Files again. In the drop-down, click on Browse, This PC. Now just select the file and click on Insert. Here, our files have been attached to our email. Following these steps, you can attach any files you want to your emails.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.